Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lagoona Blue from Monster University. I almost said Monsters, I think, for some reasons. But let's get started. I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, per usual. I'm sorry, that's just the way it is. Okay. So I used this hair and colored it FFE585 and B2E1DD. In only bangs, no adjustments needed. And then for this one, also the same, did not make any adjustments on that. For this one, I did bangs only and just scaled it to 0.57. And then on this hair, same color, and in default, positioned it to Y.28, Z.59, rotate the X at 0.64 and scale it to 0.74. For the bonnet thing, I used, it's not bonnet, it's like a headband, I don't know what it's called. This one, I colored it with this scaly pattern, Y.51, Z.46, rotate the Z at 0.48 and scale it to 0.53. And then, yeah, that's it. And then for this one, I used this flower, colored it, I think I did this color, this, and then, wait, no. I did this and then this color. For the adjustments, rotate at 0.45 for X, Y 0.55 and Z 0.53 and scaled it to 0.37. Alright, for the top, I did use a Robux item. This one in only top. Turn off the choker and color it black. Then I also used this in the classic toggle, so just like the top here, like that. And then I also use this one in jacket only, turn off the watermelon and color it black. And then for the pants, I just use this in black and then blue and then blue. Then for the inside, maybe I should have used this instead actually. Or is it the same? Okay, it's the same. I'm gonna just use should I use a normal tank top instead? In this scaly pattern, this pink scaly pattern, you can either do this one or this one, whichever one you want. Okay, let me just use this one, it's fine. It's still a little bit wonky, but I tried alright. And then for the shoes, we're going to use this first in thick. Then we're going to grab this in the striped pattern. I might also, add this on. But just wait, can I not just do ruffles? Okay, I can't. Let me just color the ruffles black. And then for the necklace, I used this in the second toggle in gold. And then I also use this in black and blue for the jacket. You can color it matte, I guess, so it's not too shiny. And then I'm also going to bring this, and I'm going to pretend this is a fishbowl. And I'm just going to color it bright blue and then dark blue, and then the rest, because the fish is pink, I'm going to alternate between these two pinks. Like so. Am I missing anything? Let me look at the reference first. Oh no, I forgot which one's which. Okay. Oh, the ears, right. The ears and the scales. So I did use a VIP item, which is these ears. It's not necessary, but I just colored it blue and a lighter blue. And then I also used this too, from the mermaid code, or is it the hands? Hello? Oh. And I just colored it dark blue and then light blue and then that dark blue. And that is it. That is how you can create Lagoona Blue for Monsters High on Just to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.